Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info. Today I do have the NUBIA Air phone and I'm going to tell you what to do when your phone is hitting while charging. So actually it's normal when your phone is hitting during the charging process. So don't worry, of course it depends on the power delivery that the charger delivers to the phone itself, but it's completely normal, especially when fast charging is used. But at first, let's have our phone unlocked and go straight to the settings over here. Wait a moment, I need to lower my brightness level. And here, straight from here, scroll to the battery, which should be over here. Pardon me, not here, here. Battery, and now straight from the battery, scroll down to the applications over here. Check for the background applications over here, which could cause heat and high power consumption. For example, here I do get the Google Play Store, but it's because I don't use Google My Phone that much. So here we do have some Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, or a game or an application that you recognize. You can either restrict it or uninstall it. If it's an application that you recognize and it's system one, don't uninstall it. But if it's not system service, what I do recommend doing is to go here into the apps, tap See All Apps, and select the application you want to fix. For example, let it be this one, and here tap Uninstall button. But if you don't really want to uninstall the application, tap App Battery Usage, tap Battery Optimization, and all these three options have set to Not Allowed. You don't need for a game or for a social media to have it auto start or secondary launch. Maybe you need the background running for notifications, etc. But if you don't need the notifications, have this all things allowed. Apart from that, use original charger and a cable. It's very important when you are charging your phone. For example, in the hot or warmer environment. So this is the second thing. Avoid using the chargers in the hot environment. Charge in a cool and ventilated areas. Apart from that, you can avoid using your phone while charging, for example gaming, for example watching TikToks, etc. And as for the final point of this video, remove your case to improve the heat dissipation. I know that this case looks nice on this NUBIA, but as for the charging, you can actually take off the case. And that should be it. Have a nice day and goodbye.